क्लास 10 मैथमेटिक्स अर्थमेटिक मीन प्रोग्रेशन। अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में अर्थमेटिक मीन चैप्टर स्टार्ट होगा। योर एक्सरसाइज 2। नाउ कम टू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। No, first of all, we want to know the arithmetic mean. What is the meaning of arithmetic mean? If you have two numbers A and B, if two numbers are A and B, then arithmetic is denoted by capital A M, that is A plus B by 2. And in short, arithmetic mean is denoted by capital A only. So A is equal to A plus B by 2. So you have to remember this formula for this exercise. Come to the first question. Find the arithmetic mean of 1 by 2 and 1 by minus 1 by 2. How can do this question? First of all, A is given as 1 by 2 and B is given as minus 1 by 2. As you know, arithmetic mean formula is A plus B by 2. A is given as 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 upon 2. So it becomes 0 upon 2. So that is your 0. So it's your answer. Now come to the second question. That is, find the arithmetic mean of x square plus 3x and y square minus 3xy. How can do this? It's A is given as x square plus 3xy and B is given as y square minus 3xy. So arithmetic mean formula is A plus B divided by 2. So A is x square plus 3xy, B is y square minus 3xy and divided by 2. 3xy cancel out to each other, so we get x square plus y square divided by 2. So that is your answer. Come to the third question. Arithmetic mean and product of two numbers are 7 and 45 respectively. Find the numbers. Numbers आपको find करने हैं. How can find the numbers? Let the number be x and y. Let the number be A and B, not x and y. So according to question, arithmetic mean, that is the A plus B upon 2, that is given as 7. So A plus B is equal to 14. So now we can find the B is equal to 14 minus A. So that is your equation number first. Now it is given as product of the two numbers, that means A into B is given as 45. So A is A and B is 14 minus A is equal to 45. So it is 14 of A minus of A square is equal to 45. Now arrange in sequence. A square minus 14 of A plus 45 equal to 0. Do the factor. So our factor is 9 5 ja. So 9A minus 5 of A and plus 45 equal to 0. A as a common, so we get A minus 9 and minus 5 as a common, so we get A minus 9 equal to 0. So A minus 9 and here is A minus 5 equal to 0. if a minus 9 is equal to 0, so we get a is equal to 9. Now b can find here, it is 14 minus 9, so we get 5b, and a is 9. So numbers are 9 and 5. So that is your answer. So your answer is 9 and 5. You can find others this bracket also. इस फैक्टर से भी आपको नंबर्स फाइंड कर सकते हैं इजीली. Now come to the fourth question. That is your fourth question. Arithmetic mean and sum of square of two numbers are 6 and 90. Find numbers. Numbers आपको find करने हैं. How can find the numbers? Now come to this question. Let the number be a and b. So first of all, let the number be a and b. What will be happen in this a and b? अर्थमेटिक मीन इज 6. दिस अर्थमेटिक मीन, ये अर्थमेटिक मीन है, ये आपको कितना गिवन है 6 है. सो यू कैन राइट हियर a प्लस b अपॉन 2 इज गिवन एज 6. सो यू कैन फाइंड a प्लस b इज इक्वल टू 12. सो b इज इक्वल टू 12 माइनस a. नाउ स्क्वायर ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज 90. सो दैट मीन्स a स्क्वायर plus b squares is given as 9090. So a square plus b square, that means it is 12 minus a whole square is equal to 90. Open the whole square, that is a square. It is a square, that means 144. B square, that is a, so we can write a square minus 2 into 12 into a is equal to 9090. So that is a square plus 144. A square, that becomes 2a square, 144, and minus 24 of a is equal to 90 divided by 2. So we get a square plus, it is 72 minus 12 of a is equal to 45. So here is a square minus 12a and plus 72 minus 45 equal to, so a square minus 12a plus how much? It is 27. It is 27 equal to 0. Now do the factors. So a square, it is 9 3 ja, so 9a minus 3a plus 27 equal to 0. A as a common, so we get a minus 9, minus 3 as a common, so we get a minus 9 equal to 0. First of all, we can consider a minus 9 is a one factor, and second factor is a minus 3 equal to 0. So first we can choose this factor, so that is a minus 9 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 12 minus 9, that is 3. So numbers are how much? 9 and 3. Both are answer. So you can do very well. Now come to the fifth question. That is your fifth question. Form an AP by inserting 6 terms between -4 and 10. -4 और 10 के बीच में जो है आपको 6 टर्म इंसर्ट करनी है. How can insert? You can see here. Suppose it is your -4. First term is A1, second term is A2, third term that is A3, fourth term that is A4, and fifth A5, and the last A6. Then we have to write 10. So that is the first number, -4a, that is first number. So you can write a is equal to -4, and tn, that is the last number, that is the 10. And n is, how much n is? First of all, you can see here is 6 numbers between -4 and 10, and -4 and 10. The two numbers are also there, so we get total number is 8. So apply the formula. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So Tn is given as 10, a is -4, plus n is 8 minus 1 into d. So here is 10 plus 4 is equal to 7d. It is 14 is equal to 7d. So we can find the d, that is the 14 upon 7. So cancel out. So we get d as a 2. Now we can find the a. So a1, how much? It is a plus d. A is -4 and d is +2. So we get -2. -2 is your first number. Now second number, it is a1 plus d. So it is -2 plus 2, that is 0. And what about to a3? It is a2 plus d, that is 0 plus 2, and it is 2. And a4, that is a3 plus d, that is 2 plus 2, and it's your 6. 2 to 4 हो जाएगा ये, not 6, it is 4. Now a5, that is a4 plus d, it is 4 plus 2, that is your 6. And the last, that is the a6, it is your 6 plus 2, so we get 8. So your numbers are so we can consider the numbers are how much? -2, 0, that is 2, and 4, and 6, and 8. These are the answers. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number between -4 and 10. Now come to the sixth question. This sixth question, it is for your homework. You can do at home. How can do this? Here is 11 and -7. So insert 5 terms. So it is a1, a2, a3, a4, a5, and then -7. So it is your first term and it is your last term, and that is the sixth term. So you can take a as a 11 and tn as a -7, and n is equal to, that is how much? That is 7. And apply the formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And now you can do as फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन की तरह आपको इस क्वेश्चन को भी करना है सेम. ओके, यू कैन डू, दैट इज द होमवर्क. Now come to the seventh question. So that is your seventh question. You can see here. If an arithmetic progression, the mean of pth and qth terms is equal to the mean of rth and th term, then prove that p plus q is equal to r plus s. That means if in an arithmetic progression the mean of pth and qth terms is equal to the mean of rth and th terms, then prove that p plus q is equal to r plus s. Now how can do this question? It's a very simple question, so you can do very well. Just watch out. That is given that pth terms, so we can say it is tp, qth term that is called as tq, and mean that is divided by 2. It is given as trth term, and here is tsh terms, and divided by 2. It is given. So now you can see 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. Now put the value of Tp. As you know, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So your formula is, as you know, your formula, which formula? You can say formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We can use this formula in this exercise. Now put Tp, it is a plus p minus 1 into t, and tq it is a plus q minus 1 into d is equal to tr, that is the a plus r minus 1 into d, and plus ts. What is the meaning of ts? A plus s minus 1 into d. Now a and a becomes 2a plus p minus 1 into d, and plus q minus 1 into d. Here is 2a plus r minus 1 into d, and plus s minus 1 into d. So 2a cancel to 2a, and d as a common. So we can check here d as a common. So we get p minus 1 plus q minus 1. And here is d as also common. So r minus 1 and plus s minus 1. S minus 1. So as you know, d will be also cancel out. So we get here p plus q minus 2 is equal to r plus s minus 2. 2 also cancel. So we get p plus q is equal to r plus s, and hence proved. Come to the question number 8th. 8th is given as n terms lies between 7 and 49 in an AP. The ratio of 4 terms and the n minus 1 terms is 5 raised to 4. Then find the value of n. In this question, the given is 10, that the 7 and 49. So you can write here is 7 and insert n terms. So a1, a2, a3, and like this, a4, and so on, a n minus 1, and here is 49. As you know, it is the first term, this one, and it is your last term. So you can find this. A is equal to 7 and Tn is equal to 49, and number of terms, that is the n plus 2, because two numbers are increasing here, 7 and 49. You can write here an also, an भी लिख लेना इसमें। और क्या गिवन है इसमें, ये आपको देखना है n minus 1 terms and the 4 terms, so you can write a fourth or a n minus 1. It is given as 5 raised to 4. ये होमवर्क है आपका, करना है घर पे। मैंने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन करा दिए हैं इसके। Very less questions are for your homework. I think you can do at home. So that is your homework. ये एक्सरसाइज समाप्त हो चुकी है, आप लोग जो है अपनी कॉपी में कंप्लीट कर लेंगे और मुझे चेक करने के लिए भी रखेंगे, और जब स्कूल वगैरह खुलेंगे उस समय मैं देख लूँगा क्या है प्रॉब्लम वगैरह। अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू पूछ सकते हो। मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी दबाएं, जिससे कि नोटिफिकेशन जैसे कि मैं कोई नया वीडियो डालता हूं आप लोगों को जल्दी जल्दी मिल जाए। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।